What's up on that very song?
So I'm pretty sick, so please bear with me. Okay. It's one of my favorite songs, so I hope you guys enjoy it.
He'd rather go blind too.
Something told me it was over when I saw you and her talking. Something deep down in my soul said, cry, girl. When I saw you and her talking, I would rather go blind, boy, than to see you walk away from me, child. So you see, I love you so much that I don't want to watch you leave me, baby. But most of all, I just don't want to be free, no. I was just in you thinking of your kiss and your warm embrace, yeah. When the reflection in the glass that I held to my lips now, baby, reveal these tears that are on my face. And baby, rather be blind, boy. Walk away from me. And baby, rather be blind, boy. I'm gonna see you walk away from me.
Oh, my cousin, honestly, come on,
Oh, yeah, let's have a sign.
Yeah, so much.